Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag. Already know, girl.
Money in the air, that's Mofil. Grab you by your coattail, take it to the motel, wholesale. Don't tell, won't tell. Baby say I don't talk, dog, but she told on me. Oh well, take a picture with me. What the flick gon' do? Baby, stick to me, and I'ma stick on you. If you pick me, then I'ma pick on you. Digo double G, and I'm here to put this on you. I'm stuck on you, so and yours is right. Rip riding the poles, and them doors is tight. And I'ma get me a shot for the end of the night. Cause we so, and baby, I'll be so for life.
Whining and grinding up on the floor. I know you see me looking at you, and you already know I wanna love you. You already know I wanna love you. You already know. Shorty, I can see you ain't lonely. Handful of niggas and they all got cheese. So you're looking at me now. What it's gonna be? Just another tease, far as I can see. Trying to get you up out this club. If it means spending a couple dubs, throwing about 30 stacks in the back, make it rain like that. Cause I'm far from a scrub. And you know my pedigree. Ex-Dilla used to move